Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The MSCT exams are already conducted and the results are about to be declared. So what we thought was all the students keep coming back to us trying to understand at what rank, what branch and which college. And that's a big challenge for most students because the idea is to optimize the rank that is already in your hand. And from that perspective, we're starting a series at this point in time, which is to do with the branches that are there. We'll start with CSE branch for the time being and then move on to mechanical, civil, electronics and all those kind of things, and exactly tell you at what rank which college you'll get for as far as these branches are concerned. Before I move further, two requests that I always have for you. If you please do subscribe to BTech 360, and if you have any college that you want us to cover, please write us in the message box here. And I must also thank our university partner, University of Aberdeen, which is setting up a campus in Mumbai. By the way, University of Aberdeen was set up in UK in 1495. It's 530 years old. And they are setting up a campus in Bombay, which is completely UGC approved by the government of India. And the degree that's given there is equivalent to what you have in India and also is globally recognized because it's a University of Aberdeen degree. So we should thank our partner, University of Aberdeen, for enabling us to putting this entire thing together. Now, this MSc CET, we're talking of top colleges for CSE branch wise cutoff, right? We're talking of college versus branch versus cutoff is what ultimately the objective is. But we start with the MSc CET top colleges, right? And before I move further, there's one more thing that we have. We're conducting series of webinars for students once the results are out. So once the MSCT results are out, you can actually talk to our counselors to understand exactly what you should be doing because you then will also have a rank in your hand. And if you have multiple choices, then our counselors will actually be able to help you to decipher which one is better, right? So for that, you need to register for the webinar. The webinar is out here. You need to go to, there's a link right below this video. You can click on that and register for the webinar. And on the day of the examination and a day after, we'll conduct multiple sessions. You can ask questions to counselors and you can also engage with us. And by the way, there are a lot of perks attached with it because we're also giving, a lot of universities are giving us free application forms and also you can also apply to quite a few colleges if you register for the webinar. So do register there. So this is the Online Counseling Connect is what we're doing and you must do that. Now, what is MSc CET this time around? There are in all about 7.65 lakh students took the registered for the examination, of which 7,05,000 students actually took the examination. But for STEM, the number of students is 4.22 lakh because that is PCM. So your competition ultimately what we're talking about is 4.22 lakh students are for the BTech program, right? And if you are looking at the PCB side of it, the medical and allied sciences of it, it's 2.82 lakh students are there for that, right? So 2.82 for PCB, right? So now we're dealing with 4.22 lakh and this is what we should be working on because in all we're talking of 4.22 lakhs students will be competing for all the good seats that are there in the state of Maharashtra. And we'll start from there. We told you that we only cover CSE at this point in time. So what we did was we tried to list out the top 30 colleges in Maharashtra based on the cutoff that happened last year and listing them out for you of at what rank you'll get that. And when we started doing that, by the way, it is not just CSE in its strict verbatim sense. Anything to do with computer sciences, including AI, data sciences, machine learning, information technology, cyber security, all these things we club them together because the difference between a CSE with AI or CSE with mathematics and all is not much. People are going to the group of subjects that is to do with computer sciences. So from that perspective, what we did was we clubbed everything to do with some computer sciences and associated branches and subjects also to come out with this list. And what are we talking of? The top 30 colleges in Maharashtra which are accepting students through the MSc CET pathway. And what are the kind of rank that you will get? We're talking of open category. Remember that? We're talking of open category, general merit, and we're not talking of any extranumerary seats here also, so that the pathway for you is extremely linear and we're not misleading you and misguiding you by actually taking up something extranumerary or based on a category. Right? Now, so the order is this. We talk of the college name, we talk of the program that is there, we talk of the open category highest closing cutoff rank last year, which is 2025. Remember that? This is all 2025 cutoff rank, right? And we talk of CSE and allied branch-wise cutoffs. CSE and allied branch-wise cutoffs. We'll talk of the open category, OBC, SC, SCBC and ST, right? The first one is, of course, VJTI, Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, Mumbai, BTech Computer Engineering. Here the highest closing cutoff last year was 119 rank. For OBC it was 789, SC was 4363, SCBC was 643, and ST was 17,574. Then comes COEP, which is based in Pune. Beautiful, beautiful campus, you must go there. BTech AI and Machine Learning. 589 is the highest closing cutoff last year. 994 for OBC, 6305 for SC, 841 for SCBC, and 15,757 for ST. Then comes again VJTI with BTech Information Technology. We talked of Allied, remember CS and Allied? 620 is the highest closing cutoff last year. 814 for OBC, 4749 for SC, 735 for SCBC, and 13,606 for ST. Then again comes COEP, BTech Computer Engineering. So if you very carefully notice, here, while everyone talks of computer engineering, in COEP, the most competitive branch was BTech AI and Machine Learning last year itself. So the trend has taken off very, very well, and students have understood what is needed, right? Now comes computer engineering in COEP at 913 highest closing cutoff. OBC was 974, SC was 9019, SCBC is 543, and 23752 for ST. Then comes SPIT, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology in Mumbai. BTech CSE, 1134 is the highest closing cutoff, 1644 for OBC, 7485 for SC, 2094 for SCBC, and 24610 for ST. Then you comes SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology, which is BE Computer Engineering at 1151, highest closing rank. Again followed by SPIT, BE Computer Engineering at 1204. So very clearly you actually see CSE and AI dominating the scene, with VJTI taking up CSE as well as IT also are much in demand out there. So people do prefer VJTI before they jump onto anything else. Is something that is proven out here. Then you come down to SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology Pune, B AI and Data Science. 1430 was the highest closing cutoff last year for open category. 1564 for OBC. SC is 9912, SCBC is 2191, and ST is 35,238. Then SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology Pune for B Information Technology. 1686 is the highest closing cutoff last year. 1775 for OBC. SC is 10,322, SCBC is 1996, ST is 29,636. Then you have SCTR's Pune Institute of Computer Technology Pune, B Electronics and Computer Engineering, 1799. The reason why we added this computer engineering also in that. That's the reason why we added it, by the way. 1953 for OBC, 10,536 for SC, SCBC is 3296, ST is 32710. In fact, I would always tell people that, while we are talking of CSE and here B Electronics and Computer Science is there, when we need to talk of electronics also, now this branch should be added there. And I hope my team also is listening to me on this. Dwarkadas J. Sanghavi College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering, this electronics part of it, right? So this must be also in electronics. Dwarkadas J. Sanghavi College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering, 2130 is the highest closing cutoff. Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli comes in, BTech CSE at 2509 cutoff. For OBC is 2723. If you now very carefully notice, the gap between OBC and general category is not much now. 2509, 2723, 1799, 1953, 1686, 1775, 1430, 1564. So a 10% margin is what you're dealing with ultimately. And then you actually have for SC it is 11276, SCBC is 3948, and 38875 for ST. Then you have Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech IT, 3055 for Open, OBC is 3124, 13339 for SC, SCBC is 4072, and 44396 for ST. Then you have Dwarkadas J. Sanghavi College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Information Technology, 3159 for Open category. Then you have Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, BTech AI and Machine Learning at 3168. I am now not reading out the categories, you will exactly understand. The idea is to give you a pitch of the top 30 colleges and the kind of branches that are being offered. This 2025, there is one more thing that I must tell you, that there will be a lot of these colleges would be adding a few more branches this time around in this space. So to that extent, you're likely to see some kind of a inflation in terms of the number of seats, increase in the number of seats. To that extent, the rank that is needed also can increase by about 5-10%. Then Dwarkadas J. Sanghavi College of Engineering, BTech Data Science and AI at 32535. Again, you come back to Dwarkadas Sanghavi College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Data Science at 3663. Then you come to BTech AI and Machine Learning at 3760. Then you come to BTech IoT and Cybersecurity with Blockchain Technology at 3877. Then you come to Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Computer Engineering at 4095. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, B Information Technology as 5176. Then you have Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, B AI and Machine Learning at 5340, OBC is 5850, SC is 20,827, SCBC is 7303 and 67,473 for ST. Dadomol Sahane College of Engineering, B Computer Engineering 5444. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech IT 5563, 62184 for OBC, and the others are also there. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, BTech CSC with AI and Machine Learning 5644. And then you also have 6291 for OBC, and others are also there. Vivekananda Education Society Institute of Technology, Chembur, B Computer Science Engineering 6074 is the highest closing rank. You're talking of MSCT, highest closing rank, open category, just remember that. Then you have Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, B Computer Science Engineering at 6321. Todamal Shahane Engineering College, Mumbai, B Information Technology at 6432, and you also have the other branches. You can please take a screenshot if you want to. Then you have Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, for BTech Computer Science Engineering at 6592, followed by OBC at 6865, 21162 for SC, SCBC 7881, 82991 for ST. Tadamol Shahane Engineering College, Mumbai, B AI and Data Science 6917, highest closing rank. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech AI and Data Science 6923. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech CSC, Data Science, again is 7216. This is AI and Data Science, this is Computer Science Engineering Database, right? Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Computer Engineering, Software Engineering, 7436. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, Internet of Things and Cybersecurity, including Blockchain Technology, 7867. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering steps in now at BE Computer Engineering, 7906. And you also have the other branches like D.Y. Patil is 84574 for OBC, 24716 for SC, SCBC is 8805 and 69980 for ST. Then you have Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, Chembur, B Information Technology at 8474. Then you have Father Conciarcio Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Computer Science Engineering at 8519. Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, Chembur, B AI and Data Science at 8531. Then you have Father Conciarcio Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Computer Science Engineering at 8565. PBG College of Engineering and Technology and GK Pate Vani Institute of Management, Pune, B Computer Engineering at 8887. Government College of Engineering, Karad, BTech IT is 9098. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune, B Information Technology is 9173. Then you have Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering is 9621. And 12,000 for OBC, 16,078 for SC, 18,150 for SCBC, and 49,893 for ST. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, B AI and Data Science 9753, 10,174 for OBC. And then you have the other categories also. Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, Chembur, B Electronics and Computer Science at 9763. Government College of Engineering, Amravati, BTech CSC at 10,017. Then you have Father Conciarcio Rodriguez College of Engineering, Mumbai, B Electronics and Computer Science Engineering as 10,313. PBG's College of Engineering and Technology and GK Pate Vani Institute of Management, BTech AI and Data Science at 10,332. PBG's College, again the same college, at 10,442 for B Information Technology this time around. And then you also have the other branches where 10,849 is OBC, 29,092 for SC, 12,636 for SCBC, and 1,06,795 for ST. Then you have Technology, Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, B Computer Engineering at 10,886. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, B Computer Engineering is 10,931. OBC is 11,929, SC is 29,405, SCBC is 11,365, and 1,01,040 for ST. Right, and again you have B Computer Engineering at Father Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai, 11,270. Rajashri Shahu College of Engineering, BTech Computer Engineering is 11,324. For OBC it's 11,855, SC is 28,728, 12,618 for SCBC, and ST is 1,07,149. KJ Osama Institute of Engineering and Information Technology, Mumbai, BTech Computer Engineering, 11,415. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, Pune, B Computer Engineering is 11,642. And All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society Institute of Information Technology, B Computer Engineering is 11,826. One of the things that I must tell you is that whenever you see these categories, it means the public institution which is following it. In private institutions, they participate in the counseling possibly, but they don't have the category reservation because they're private in nature. Then Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, B Computer Science Engineering at 12,085, OBC is 10,740. Now, if you look at this one, very strange, OBC is more competitive than open category. And the same thing is happening in quite a few places here, if you notice that. SC is 19,396, SCBC is 14,816, and ST is 1,12,750. Then D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, BE Computer Science Engineering, 12,316. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE CSE is 12,480. Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Information Technology is 12,597. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vishnupuri, BE CSE is 12,660. Pimpri Chinchpad College of Engineering and Research, Pune, BE Information Technology is 12,667. And Father Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai is 12,975. You can also see the category ranks as you move along. Then you have, what we're trying to do is we listed out the top 30 colleges. Each of the colleges might be having a lot more courses on CSE and allied. That is where the list is longer here. But it's important for me to go through this because at least you will get to know what are the colleges that you must join if you want to do anything on CSE and allied. That's the reason why we're listing out everything. Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, BTech AI is Information Technology is 13,304. OBC is 14,209, SC is 30,059, SCBC is 13,459, and ST is 1,15,438. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, BE Information Technology is 13,550, OBC is 13,608, SC is 39,354, SCBC is 15,358, 382, and 135,752 ST. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, BE AI and Machine Learning is 13,595. Government College of Engineering, Amravati, BTech IT is 13,634. OBC is 14,798, SC is 29,209, SCBC is 21,655, and ST is 61,474. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, BE Information Technology, 13,921, OBC is 15,061, SC is 36,489, SCBC is 14,268, and ST is 128,079. Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering, Tatawade, BTech CSC and Business Systems is 13,931. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BE Information Technology is 14,033. And you also have the category ranks. Then you have D.Y. Patil College of Institute of Technology, BE Data Science with AI is 14,206. International Institute of Information Technology, Pune, this is IIIT, BE Computer Science is 14,254. All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, BTech Artificial AI and Data Science is 14,415. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, BTech CE is 14,555. KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik, BE Computer Engineering, 14,761. And Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, BE Information Technology is 15,161. This, and by the way, you also have the category ranks also. You can take a screenshot of that. What we listed out at this point is 30 colleges, the top 30 colleges based on the cutoffs for CSE and allied programs, and that came to 76 of them. So which means that each of the institute offers at least two to four kind of a numbers, right? And we listed them out, and we also gave you the last year's cutoffs. My assumption is this time you will actually see a 5%, 7% inflation, which means that if last year it was 15,161, this year it might go to 16,000 also. Because in my opinion, a lot of these colleges will be adding a few more seats on these branches, or adding new branches within these colleges, or a couple of new colleges will come in, taking through MSCT also. Because of that, you might also see a 16,000 kind of a thing. And remember, 4.22 lakh students took the thing as far as BTech is concerned. So your competence is 4.22 lakh. And if you're in an open category, at a 16,000 rank, you're likely to get into the one of the top 30 colleges in Maharashtra. I hope this helps you. And again, I must thank the University of Aberdeen, which partnered with us and enabled us to put this entire thing together. Thank you so much. Namaste.